I just finished playing golf. That's 18 holes yesterday walking, 18 holes today walking. I don't want to surf, but I can't see the water on the cameras on Surfline because of the fog. The warm air, cold water is creating a fog. Call me Dr. Science. But anyway, I would just be trusting the buoys, trusting the winds. I think there's waves, but when you don't actually see them and you're a novice like me, it's a little bit scary and you don't exactly know what to do, if you should go or not, especially since you have to drive that far. But then again, I would just be sitting on the couch probably, or doing some adult stuff. God, you don't get a lot of surf days, so it really probably isn't that hard of a question of what to do. So yeah, we'll probably go. I'm going. I am going. When in doubt, step out. Being outside is better than being inside every single time. Period. I'm tired. That was a long weekend. But I'm so tired that I refuse to stop for gas. I'm 7 miles away from home, and we have 6 miles to empty. I'm not stopping. Made it. That felt so alive.